Hello everybody. Now, today, what we are going to teach? Yes, the same. We will continue the topic from yesterday, right? Yesterday, what we learned yesterday? Yes, expression. So we learned two. The second one is expand your vocabularies, right? In Chinese. Do you still remember how to say it in Chinese expressions? Yeah, 表情, right? 表情. Why they say like this? So it's something on your face. Hurt or happy, sad, crying, yes, all things. That is 表情, right? So what is the next? Yesterday we did learn happy and sad and crying, tired. So today the first one we are going to learn is surprising. What is surprising? Surprising is 紧张, 惊讶, 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 惊 is 惊讶 is 惊讶 is surprising is 惊讶, right? So, but there is the other word sometimes that we don't say in a sentence. We don't always say 惊讶. We think something is so strange. What we are going to say is say 吃惊, 吃惊, yes, 吃惊. Why aren't you surprised? Here, why is 为什么? Why? 你, right? You. 你不吃惊. 为什么你不吃惊? Is why you don't feel surprised? Why aren't you surprised? Yeah, 为什么你不吃惊? Why you are so surprised? 为什么你很吃惊? Yes, it is means surprise, okay? So, painful. Sometimes you feel somewhere I feel very painful. How to say here, I feel very painful. How to say it? 痛苦. It's so hard. 痛苦. 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 Yes, that is painful. 痛苦, right? So, he looks very painful. How to say he? Do you remember? Yes, that is 他, right? 他 looks 看起来, right? It's look 看起来很. Yesterday we learned, right? You know what is that, right? Yes, very. So he looks very painful is 他看起来很痛苦. 他看起来很痛苦. You see it? You see the difference? Yes, you read it after me, okay? 他看起来很痛苦. I say by myself the normal speed for you one more time, okay? So, 他看起来很痛苦. See it? 他看起来很痛苦. 你看起来很痛苦. No one say 我看起来很痛苦. No one say that because I cannot look at myself, right? So what I have to say, I'm very painful. 我很痛苦, right? Don't say 我看起来很痛苦. No, don't say like that. Only for other people. 你看起来很痛苦. 他看起来很痛苦. 我很痛苦. Okay? Okay. Next. Wow, very fast, right? Because it's easy. Today we will learn some like negative expressions. Okay. What is that? 痛. 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 Similar with that one, right? But sometimes we make it different. You have to know it. For example, headache. 头痛. 头痛. Today I have flu. I feel headache. 今天我生病了. My headache. 我头疼. 头痛. 头痛, right? But, there is a but. Yeah, something coming. Okay, notice. Okay, PS. What is that? 头痛. You say, 哎呀，我很头痛. Sometimes you look at the people and say, 哎呀，我很头痛. It doesn't mean that they are sick. it means that they have some problems they very difficult to solve, or they can't solve it. Say, 哎呀，我很头痛. You have to ask them, are you sick? You say, no. I have some problems with my company, or I have some problems with myself. You know, they describe they can't solve the business. They can't solve their personal life. They will say, 头痛. Yeah, thinking so much, so 头痛, right? Yes, 头痛. How about here? Throat ache. Here, what is this? 嗓子, right? H. 嗓子痛, 嗓子痛, right? Yes. Throat ache is 嗓子痛. Oh yeah, you will say, here, headache. Headache, what is that? 手痛. No, my hand feel hurt. It's 手痛. Okay, my hand is hurt. It means 手痛. It's not a headache. It's a 手痛, right? Yes. If everything with hurt or ache, you can say 痛. But honestly, that in the north of China or in Beijing, and we don't say 痛. It's I don't know. It's a little bit like I can't say this all the time. So how to say it in Beijing language or in the north? 疼, 痛, 有点疼. Yes, 疼. You see it? Yes. 疼. Yeah. So what is the next? What is this? Oh, do you remember? Yes, yang. Is what? 打哈欠, right? 打哈欠. How to say 打哈欠? Ha欠. Yes, very light, very light. You can sometimes ha欠. Like this. Yes. So how to say when the people young? When the people young. People, how to say people in Chinese? People is 人, easy, right? Very short. 人, when is 什么时候? 什么时候? Yes, young, 打哈欠. 人什么时候打哈欠? 人什么时候打哈欠? Yes, this is a question for you. Think of it. When? Give you 1 second. Boom. Yes, ding dong. Yes, it is. When? I think the first thing comes to your mind is a sleepy. Yes, it is sleepy. When? How to say sleepy in Chinese? How to say sleepy in Chinese? 困. Yes, 困. I'm so tired. I'm so sleepy. I'm so sleepy. I want to sleep. Last night I didn't sleep very well. Yes, 困. 我困了. I'm sleepy. 我困了. Yes, I'm sleepy. Yes. But besides this, when you young, when? Yes, this one. Is that English? No. It is Chinese. It is Chinese, right? Do you remember? Yesterday, last lesson, we did learn. What is that? What is that? Try to remember. Happy? Sad? Or tired? Yes, you are right. That is tired. I'll say 累. 累, right? When I'm tired, I also sometimes, perhaps it's not all of you, but some people when they are tired, because tired, their head lack of oxygen, so they need sleep, right? Yes, that is logical, right? Okay. Next. Bored. Yes, bored. When I'm bored, I also want, young. Yes. So, how say bored? 无聊. 无聊. Yeah, remember? This one, you have to make notice. 无聊, because sometimes you go out and most of the people, if you talk something, it's not nice, the people will say 无聊. You know, you talk something that they don't want to hear, you say 无聊. Yes, or you are so bored, or you are not funny, and you're not humorous, and they will say, Nick, you are so bored. How to say it? 你太无聊了. 你太无聊. Yes. Sometimes, like if you go party and you see in the party so bored, and what you are going to say? And they ask you, and how about the party? And you say, 无聊，很无聊. Yes, the party is 很无聊. Yes, the party is very bored. Yes. Remember, make question mark and write down if you want. And this one is very important. You will hear from most of the people. And they will say, whenever, 无聊, 无聊. Because very bored, right? How about this? Relax, 放松. Relax is a 放松. 放 and 松, I think this means release. So it means something you can relax. Also something that you release your stress, right? So that is relax. We need relax, right? Yes. I need relax. How to say it? 我需要. Need is 需要. 我需要放松. Yes. 我需要放松. Yes. He needs relax. 他需要放松. Or you are so stressed. Please relax. So stressed. How to say stress? 紧张, right? Or 紧张 is nervous. 压力, right? 你压力很大. You are so stressed. 你压力很大. Please relax. 放松, 放松. Yes. 你压力太大了. 放松, 放松. Yes, very good. What is comfortable, right? Sometimes when you relax and then you feel okay, oh, my body are very comfortable now, right? Yes. How to say comfortable in Chinese? 舒服, 舒服, 舒服. Yes. Let me speak normal speed in Chinese, okay? 舒服. You see? It's very light. It means that you are very relaxed. Very comfortable. I need very peaceful and very quiet, and I don't think anything that means 舒服. So 舒服, 舒 is means open and make your body relax. That is 舒服, right? Yes. And here I will talk later. Now we say I feel very comfortable. How to say? 我 feel is 觉得 very comfortable. Very, very, very. Last time we learned very. Yes, 很. Yes, 我觉得很舒服. Yes, 我觉得很舒服. Yes, is that chair comfortable? 这个椅子舒服吗？我觉得很舒服. I feel very comfortable. Very good. Yes? So, if you say, is that chair comfortable? Oh, it's so hard. So hard. I feel not comfortable. Yeah. 我觉得 I feel 我觉得不舒服. I feel not comfortable. Yes. 不舒服. 我觉得不舒服. Yes, very good. Remember, make one. This meaning the chair is comfortable. Yes. 我觉得不舒服. This one, right? But, okay. Prepare the pen and book, but. Yes. But if you say not comfortable, there is another meaning. What is another meaning? Can you guess? Perhaps similar with English? Yes. It means I'm sick, right? Sometimes if you see your friend or your wife or husband or your kids and stay there, every day they are very talkative or noisy, but today they are very quiet. You say, are you comfortable? Have you ever asked those in English? But in Chinese we did ask, 你舒服吗？我不舒服，我可能生病了。Yes, I'm not comfortable. Maybe I'm sick. Yes, this case. In this case, the not comfortable means that sick. Yes. So sometimes you see, oh, they are very hurt. You do like it. You cannot say, 你生病了. So direct. You know, you have first you ask them, 你舒服吗？你是不是不舒服？ Or 你哪里不舒服？ Where you are not comfortable, which part you feel not comfortable? Yeah, 你哪里不舒服？我头不舒服。我肚子不舒服。Yes, it means that I feel headache. I feel hurt with my belly. I feel hurt with my head. Yes, 不舒服 in this case means I'm sick. Okay? What is this? Enjoy. We always say enjoy, right? So how enjoy? How to say it in Chinese? How? Yes. 享受，享受。Yes, enjoy life. 享受生活，享受生活。Yes, like the old people, they retired already. So they now the mission of my life, of mine, the mission or my mission is enjoy the life. Yes, 现在我的任务 mission is 任务，我的任务就是享受生活。Yes, that's for the old people, of course. But if like in holiday and you go for vacation, you say, now I have to enjoy my vacation. How to say? 我要享受 vacation, holiday. You remember? We did learn. If you don't remember, you can watch my previous video. Okay? So 我现在享受 holiday 假期。我现在享受假期 It means that 我要享受我的假期 right? Yes, I enjoy my holiday. 我要享受我的假期 Yes. Or do you enjoy my class? 你上我的课觉得享受吗？你享受我的课吗？ Yes, enjoy my class. Okay? Yes, today is all. I hope you enjoy my class. Okay? If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell. Thank you very much. See you next time. Bye.